In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay sites. If you often find yourself needing to switch between different eBay sites due to travel, or perhaps because you're on the hunt for specific items only available in certain countries, then this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you can navigate this smoothly. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and going to eBay's homepage. That's do.ebay.com. Once there, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. Look over to the top right corner of the screen and you should see the Sign In button. Click on that and then enter your credentials. If you've opted to stay signed in on your device, you might find that you're already logged in which case you can skip straight to the account settings. Logging in is an essential step because changing eBay sites requires account access. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen again. Look for the option labeled My eBay or a little drop-down icon near your account name. Click on it and you'll see a menu appear. From the options available here, you'll want to select Account Settings. This menu is where you can manage all your personal and shipping information, payment methods, and more. For our purpose today, we are focusing on navigating to change sites, but it's always good to know what other settings you can adjust here. Now with the Account Settings page open, scroll down to the very bottom. You're looking for a section labeled eBay Sites. It might sound a bit tricky to find on your first attempt, but stay with me. Once you locate eBay Sites, hover over it with your cursor. A menu is designed to appear as you hover, displaying a list of countries. These options provide access to eBay's various international platforms, each tailored to its region with specific listings and site settings. After hovering and seeing the list, the next action is to find and click on your desired country. For instance, if you're currently using the US site and want to switch to the UK site, simply locate United Kingdom from the list and give it a click. The page will then redirect to the regional eBay site you've selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your eBay site. Remember that switching sites may affect what items are available based on regional listings, so it's always a good idea to double-check the shipping options when purchasing. Also, keep in mind that language settings might default to the local language of the site, though you can generally find options to switch back to your preferred language in the site's footer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or a newcomer, knowing how to navigate between sites efficiently can help enhance your shopping experience. Happy eBaying, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.